So good afternoon, everyone. For this slide, no, we will be tackling the occupational safety and health, and basically this is the our subject for the entire semester. So without further delay, let us now proceed with the outline of our presentation. Okay. So what is the def? We will be tackling what's the definition of OSH. We will have an overview of OSH principles. We will tackle its importance, its history, the evolution of OSH, its legal and regulatory frameworks, regulatory compliance, the importance of compliance, and why OSH matters. Okay, so first, let us define what OSH is. So OSH encompasses a comprehensive set of policies, procedures, and practices aimed at safeguarding the safety, health, and general well-being of employees within the workplace. This includes measures to identify, evaluate, and mitigate potential hazards, as well as promoting culture of safety to prevent accidents, injuries, and work-related illnesses. Okay, so that's OSH is. No? It is a set of policies, set of guidelines for what? To safeguard or to protect our employees, their health and their safety, no? Sa kanilang pagtatrabaho, at the same time, within their workplace. Kasama rito yung assessment, evaluation of potential hazards, as well as promoting the culture ng safety para nang sa ganon, maiwasan yung incidents, yung accidents, yung injuries, and other work-related illnesses. So that is OSH. Okay? So now let us continue on the core principles of OSH, or Occupational Safety and Health. We have here five core principles: hazard identification, risk assessment, prevention and control measures, employee training, and continuous improvement. So, ano ba yung hazard identification? Hazard identification is the systematic process of recognizing and assessing potential dangers or risks within the workplace, ensuring a proactive approach to safety. So, this is the process of which you are recognizing or assessing or evaluating some of the potential dangers or risks within your workplace or within the workplace. For example, maghahanap ka ng mga lugar na prone to accidents, no? Hazard prone areas, for example, dun sa aisle mo, kung meron tumatagos sa tubig, baka pwedeng madulas, anong kailangan mong gawin? Okay? That is hazard identification. For example, meron nakalaylay na linya ng kuryente. You have, after your evaluation, nakita mo mayroon ng mga kuryenteng nakalaglag lang. So that's hazard identification. You are looking for potential dangers or possible incidents. Huh? That's one that's one of the principles of OSH. Next one is risk assessment. Ano naman yung risk assessment? This is the evaluation of the likelihood and severity of identified hazards, enabling organizations to prioritize and address risks effectively. So, after your identification of hazards, you are now to assess kung anong hazard ba, kung a risk ba ang magbibigay ng or the level of severity, no, ng mga hazard. Nang sa ganon, your company or your organization can prioritize and address the risks effectively. So for example, nakita nila na mas kailangang i-prioritize yung kuryente, di ba? Na nakalaylay. So with that, asikasuhan nila 'to, no? Sunod na nila yung madulas na aisle, no? So that's risk assessment. The third one is prevention and control measures. This is the implementation of strategies and controls to eliminate or to minimize workplace hazards, emphasizing the importance of proactive safety measures. So after that your company has assessed the risk, They will now implement their strategies or their policies on how to control that hazard or entirely eliminate or minimize the hazards in the workplace. So it is like emphasizing the importance of proactive safety measures. So that's prevention and control measures. The fourth one is employee training. It provides comprehensive education and training programs to empower employees with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate and contribute to a safe work environment. When we say employee training, it is the education training program to what? To give your employees the knowledge, to empower them that there are skills needed to navigate for them or for every employees to contribute to a safe work environment. So that is employee training. The next one is continuous improvement. Ano ba itong continuous improvement na to? So it is the regularly reviewing and enhancing safety measures based on continuous feedback, incident analysis, and advancements in safety technologies to foster an environment of ongoing improvement. So dito, your company is conducting regular review, regular checking, reviewing of feedback and incident analysis for them to cope with the safety of the technologies and to foster an environment of improvement, no, sa kanilang mga workplace, no. So those are the core principles of OSH. We have the hazard identification, the risk assessment, prevention and control measures, employee training, and continuous improvement. So ano ba ang importance ng OSH? We have listed four here, four importance of OSH: ensuring employee safety, reducing workplace accidents, enhancing employee productivity, and legal and ethical responsibility. So ano ba yung ensuring employee safety? So this is the prioritization of the physical and psychological well-being of employees, creating a secure work environment that minimizes the risks of harm. Dito sa ensuring employee safety, pinaprioritize mo or nila yung physical and psychological well-being ng kanilang mga tauhan. Then, it creates a secure work environment na kung saan safe sila, malayo sila sa hazard or potential hazard. So that is employee safety. The next one is reducing workplace accident. So implementing preventive measures and safety protocols to minimize the occurrence of injuries and accidents, thereby enhancing overall workplace safety. So, ito naman is yung nag-i-implement, no, yung company ng preventive measures or and the protocols para nang sa ganon, yung occurrence ng accidents, yung or occurrence ng injuries ay maiwasan or mabawasan. Upang nang sa ganon, later on, tataas yung overall workplace safety. So that is reducing workplace accidents. The implementation of safety protocols to avoid or minimize the occurrence of accidents and injuries. Number three is enhancing employee productivity. Fostering a culture of safety and well-being contributes to a higher morale, job satisfaction, and productivity among employees. Totoo naman to. Kapag ka nakita ng mga empleyado na hindi sila safe sa kanilang pinagtatrabahuhan, hindi sila ganun ka-productive. Kakabahan sila, aalis sila ng pwesto, lilipat sila sa ibang lugar, para nang sa ganun, mas panatag or payapa silang nakakapag-isip at nakakapagtrabaho. Diba? So, fostering a culture of safety, no? It produces a higher morale and job satisfaction. So that's enhancing employee productivity. Okay? Pag alam nilang safe silang magtatrabaho, nakakapagtrabaho, tataas yung kanilang productivity. Number 4 is legal and ethical responsibility. Adhering to and surpassing legal requirements, acknowledging the ethical responsibility of organizations to protect employees and promote a safe work culture. So yung kanilang pagsunod, 'di ba? Sa mga requirements is part of the OSH, no? Because it is a legal compliance that they have to submit to or adhere to, because it is the responsibility of every organization for what? To what? To protect their employees and promote a safe work culture. So those are the importance of OSH, no? Ensuring employee safety, reducing workplace incidents or accidents, enhancing employee productivity, and the compliance to legal and ethical responsibility. Okay, so what is the historical perspective of OSH? Let us now define the milestones in occupational safety, the early efforts in ensuring workplace safety, and the evolution from reactive to proactive approaches. So, milestone in occupational safety, there are significant events, no, or achievements throughout the history that have shaped the field of occupational safety, highlighting advancements and lessons learned. So, the same, nung, sa mga lumipas na mga taon, no, there have been an event wherein uh, occupational safety have shaped the workplace, no, due to their lessons that have learned and the advancements of the technology. So that's the milestone in occupational safety. Next one is early efforts in ensuring workplace safety. The initial measures and practices implemented to address safety concerns in the workplace, paving the way for more sophisticated safety protocols. So, when it comes to workplace, since nagbabago at nade-develop or nag-grow ang ating workplace, there have been ways to what? To provide or to implement a more sophisticated safety protocols in order for you, for the company to implement, no, or address safety concerns in the workplace. Okay? Third one is evolution from reactive to proactive approaches. Dito naman, ang ginagawa ng tao is that they are transforming the mindset from reacting to accidents to adopting proactive measures and preventive strategies, emphasizing a shift towards a safety first culture. So dito ang ginagawa nila, uh, ina-adapt talaga nila yung is better, tawag dito, ah, yung idea na kung saan they are into prevention than cure. Okay, so they are going to implement preventive measures, preventive strategies, no, emphasizing a shift toward a safety first culture. So hindi yung after approach ang ginagawa nila. Ang ginagawa nila ngayon, they are into preventive, no, strategies. So reactive to proactive approach. So those are the historical perspective of OSH.